this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Wallpaper Generator on Infinix Hot. Let's get started. The very first thing is that you need to press here, then you need to go to wallpaper, just like that. And you can see there is AI Wallpaper. Tap there. You can literally use magic word, or you can also use your own photo and turn it to AI. Let's try with magic word first. You can say anything, like let's say mushroom, writing with AI. There you go. Generate the mushroom stuff here. Now, styles that you wanted to apply. Let's say I wanted to go with ACGN. There you go. So this is really beautiful. Actually, you can read that. If you like this, you can simply hit on the save button. You can use this as a wallpaper, as you guys can see that. You can set this for both home screen or lock screen. It's up to you. Go back. You can see this is how it looked like. Well, next thing here, and go back again. Here is image reinvention. You can use your own image, turn that to looking like this kind of characters. You can also do with these customs like Japanese, South Korean, or Indian, or Indonesian. If you have pet, then here's a specific for your pet. I'm just going to go with like image here, and I'm just going to go with colorful dream because I love colorful dream than anything else here. Let's swipe down and we pull up this image once again. There we go. This is how it looked like, which is pretty good. You can see that you can use this as wallpaper as well, both, and go back and see the wallpaper that it can change. It's that simple to generate wallpaper and apply on your Hot 60. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. Peace.